Hi, in this video we are going to talk about how to create links for files and directories. What is a link? A link is a pointer to a file, or you can think of a kind of a shortcut. So links help us to provide multiple paths to the same file. For example, when you install any software, the actual path, if I talk about Windows, is C, users, program files, and then within that particular application there is a .exe file. But how we access it? Either we get a shortcut on the desktop or through the applications menu. So for the actual file, which is a long path inside somewhere in C, users, program files, and so on, we get a direct link on the desktop or on the applications menu. Same things is available in Linux in the form of links. So links will provide you an alternate path to access the same file. Now there are two kinds of links available, hard link and soft link. So we will be discussing both and we will learn how to create the soft link, the hard link, and what is the difference. So once we practice all this, we will summarize the differences at the end.
Now to create links, we use the command ln. So let's create a link for the file win.txt, where inside AAA, so this is the directory where I want to create, and I want to rename the link as win_link. Okay. Now if I long list the current file as well as the one inside AAA, these are the details. Now, what is the use of creating links? One, obviously, is that I have different paths to access the same file. Second, let's suppose I make change into win.txt. Let's suppose I delete these two lines. Now, even if I view the current file or I view the one in the link, both are having the same content. In case of hard link, which we have just created, if I delete the original file, the link will still work. I will still be able to access the content through the link. Now, the second type of link that you can create is a soft link. Soft links can be created for files as well as directories. Hard link can be created only for files, not for directories. So let us create a soft link here, ln -s. If I create it for the file, let's suppose let.txt, I'll create it here only just to show you an example. So let_link. One difference that you will see in the way the soft link is created as compared to the hard link. Let me show you -l. You see this entry, it was not there earlier when we long listed the hard link. Hard link was, the entry was similar to that of a file. So this shows that let_link is a soft link to the file let.txt. Also, you will see this entry in the very beginning, L, which shows that this is a soft link. For a hard link, this L will not be there. The entry for a hard link is similar to that of a normal regular file. Another difference is, for a soft link, the number of links will not increase. Whenever we create a soft link, the number of links, the count will not increase. But whenever you will create a hard link, the number of links will increase. So let's suppose I create a hard link for the same file. Rather than creating a soft link, this time I'll create let_h_link. If I long list this again, so I'll long list now all the three. So you see here for the hard link, the entry is like a normal file. There is no L here. For the soft link there is. And the number of link count has increased. But for the soft link it is same. Another difference is What if I remove the original file, which is let.txt, and I try to access the soft link? It give me an error. You will not be able to access the soft link, but the hard link will keep working and you will be able to access that hard link.
So, to summarize, what are the differences between a soft link and a hard link? The hard link can be created only for files, whereas the soft link can be created for files as well as directories. When we create a hard link, the count of the number of links increase, whereas in case of soft links, the count for the number of links does not increase. In case of a hard link, even if we delete the original file, the link will still work. But in case of a soft link, if we delete the original file, then the soft link will not work. For a hard link, the inode number for the link as well as for the file are same, whereas in case of soft links, the inode number for the file and the soft link are different. So, I hope that now you will be able to manage the links. In the next video, we will talk about file globbing.